Well done, Brad. Yeah. What a beautiful debut display from Brad Leslie Kemp with the RAF Shawbury Gliding Club ASK 21. Well done, Brad. He wants to encourage younger people to take up gliding, to use it as a means of getting into aviation, as we were hearing in his interview with Jonathan earlier on, and I hope that it's done it for some of you.
I think that's a success. I think, how wonderful is that? He's so passionate about his flying, about his gliding, and that's so well controlled. We're fortunate that we get to see a lot of glider displays, and that is right up there. I think everyone involved, his instructors, Gandhi especially, I think I can probably see his smile from here. That was something truly special.
Yes, there is Ian Gallagher landing on in the Scheiber Turbo Falcon tug aeroplane, and they'll be hitching the glider back up after the next display item to take it back to Shawbury. But yeah, wonderful to see a new display pilot on the circuit as well. I'm sure we'll see Brad a great deal in the future. And a wonderful representation of the home team here at Cosford as well.